like it's a championship set.
Tama, Anton. Ito yung crucial dyan eh. Ito ko, nagkakapaan na kayo, first meeting nyo pa lang, straight sets. Ito yung kauna-unahang pinalalo ng Benil kanina, itong set na to kontra sa Letran. Pagdating ng semifinals. And this set matters so much.
Oh no.
No, that was outside para kay Marasigan. That was too long and too powerful. Miss-hit.
So misreception and a miss-hit. 2 errors for Benil to start this set.
Napaaga na naman. Ito yung nagbigay ng panalo sa Letran kanina eh. 11 ang ibinigay nilang errors.
Fajardo. Oh.
Ooh.
When you give a slow drop like that, that's a recipe for disaster.
Sama na yun. Hindi pwede yung mga ganong drop balls para sa Letran. At mas lalo kapag frontline si Vince Simzon. Alam naman natin kung gaano siya kabilis approach at kung gaano siya kalakas pumalo.
Bam Bam Bautista, 13 points. The rookie Raymark Betko with 11. And now Coach Arnold Lanyog rolls the dice, brings in
Wait!
Villanueva.
Wait! That was a good back-si-bat set galing kay Villanueva. Anton.
This is Exhibit A of why Chris Villanueva has been the starting setter of Benil this season. But a change-up this game. Arnold Lanyog bringing in the graduating setter, Vince Simzon.
Wait! Vince Simzon! That was so powerful, Vince! What an approach, facing deep cross-court. Nahirapan na si Austero habulin yung block eh.
Villanueva. This set number 3 has Vince Simzon's fingerprints all over it.
From a spike point, pagdating din sa depensa, Vince Simzon very present right now para sa Letran Knights.
Alam mo yung mga investigator, pag hinahanap nila yung mga fingerprints sa mga safe,
ay madali.
Lahat Vince Simzon.
Oo, mapapadali trabaho nila.
Betko puts it away.
Marasigan serving.
3 early point lead para sa side ng Letran Knights.
Bautista.
Bam bam. Quick, a fast drop ball. Ito, he needs variation kasi yung mga palo niya, kanina pa nabablock rebound kapag hindi galing sa set play kapag mga open sets lang. So he needs more of that. He needs to play smart para mahirapan yung depensa ng CSB Blazers.
10 points in the match for Vince Simzon. Villanueva. It's that kind of reaction pag malamya yung mga attempts. There you go.
Well-read block galing kay Austero. Ang ganda sana nung habol ni Aranyo para sa quick play na yon, but Austero, ganda nung timing.
That was a textbook offensive block.
Yeah.
Trajectory of the ball straight down.
Yeah, ganda.
Bautista over the blockers. Villanueva to Rocky Motol. Portero popping it up. Palikang bola kay Bautista.
What a dig! And another one! This happened earlier sa second set. Aguilar with a very beautiful dig, but no one's getting that second ball for him.
Siyempre si Rocky, siya dapat ang papalo. Kaya lang nakita niya masyadong malayo si Chris. So nagdalawang isip siya. Ako ba magsiset?
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Yeah, not this time. Aranyo. With the stare for Rocky Motol. Ang tagal nun.
Letran with an early 5-point advantage. Mikay Mindanao will give us an update when we...
What is up mga ka-NCAA? My name is Christine San Agustin and today we are at the SBMA Sand Court here in Tubig, Zambales to witness the opening day of the NCAA Season 100 Beach Volleyball Tournament. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
Binuksan ang torneo sa parada ng mga atleta na sinabayan ng pag-awit ng The Clash Season 6 Grand
Tournament. And of course, Anton and Andre, it is now a level playing field for both teams. It is because of one set apiece. And ang paalala nga ni Coach Arnold Lanyog before entering this third set ay huwag patagalin yung momentum sa litran. He also told them na iwasan na ang mga errors at magkaroon ng presence of mind dahil hindi pwedeng sila pa ang nagbibigay puntos sa kanilang kalaban for this third set. Gusto niyang kunin nila agad ang momentum at iwasan na sila ang maghahabol. Tapangan nyo at sabayan nyo was his last words to the team. All for now, Anton and Anjo.
Thank you for that, Mikay. Pero, Anton, those words, applicable for both teams. Masarap pag ganito nakatight yung ating game at ganito ka-intense.
Tsaka pag
They need to side out real quick.
Tsaka pag sinabing sabayan nyo, easy to say, hard to do.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
imagine na parang pag sinabi, sabayan mo yung kabayo.
Hindi mo naman pwede tanongin, anong kabayo ba yan? Is that a pony? Hindi eh.
Especially when Letran is playing like this. 15 points from Bembem.
At 5-point lead para sa side ng Letran Knights.
That's more than his 14-point average. And
Oh! Wow!
Nabigyan si Bembem doon. Balbakal.
Balbakal with that crispy spike. Ang ganda ng pagkakalihis niya. Kanina pa na ma-maximize ng CSD Blazers itong kanilang middle blockers. Mas lalo kapag pitpitan at naghahanap sila ng side-out option.
Naka 15 points na si Bembem. Sabi ni Balbakal, eto, dumepensa ka.
Pero ito yung problema naman sa side ng CSD Blazers, Antony. Nakakapunto sila, nakakagawa sila ng magagandang set plays, pero nasusuklian nila nitong mga unforced errors tulad ng service error na to.
Now serving for the Knights, Dave Rizaba.
Villanueva.
Oh, nanggigil. Nanggigil na that time si Balbakal. Net-touch violation.
Ganda sana.
Oo, nanggigil eh.
Yun yung low-fast set attempt.
Yeah.
Idea was good.
Pero
Sayang.
na-late yung bato ng set.
There you go.
Wow, Rocky Moto with that wrist action, Anton. Clippings lang, nakita mo yun? Wrist action lang. That was a fast and quick spike galing kay Rocky. Single block coverage, going cross court. Easy point para kay Rocky.
Oh, interesting. Rocky Moto going to the bench.
Why?
And a rookie, Dexter Granyada. Interesting move here by Coach Arnold Lanyog. Does he have something up his sleeve?
Another one-hand set galing kay Aranyo. Vince Samson adjusting for that set, going for that check-out puntos para kay Vince Samson. Have you watched the movie Queen?
Queen?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Who's that? Give me
The band.
Give me a hypnosis.
The band.
Okay. Yeah, I know the band Queen. We are the champions, right?
Yeah. And kamukha ni Vince Samson, yung lead singer ng Queen sa movie.
Ang sabi ko, sa moment na ganyan kailangan nag-iisip. Diba? Usapan natin, ilalaban natin dun sa basic na percentage. Hindi na tayo yung mga kami kung dun sa last set, kalahati binigyan natin. Ito ngayon, wala pang big set, kalahati na agad dyan. Ipapusin ko lang. Lalo na pagpatiwanan mo lang.
Looking at the scoring trend, Anton,
Ito rin yung pinakamalaki.
Nakalamangan ng Letran Knights for this game so far.
30, serving 6.
Villanueva. Betko. Betko is right now looking like the best option.
Wait. Net touch violation para kay Betko. Balik ang momentum sa side ng Letran Knights at ang puntos sa side ng Letran Knights, making it an 8-point lead, Anton.
14, serving 6.
Cordero. Back set. Ambrosio.
Oh, yes. That was outside. Missed it by Ambrosio.
Serving.
Gibson.
Kanina pa, sobrang effective nitong mga drop balls si Vin Simzon at kanina pa hindi nababasa ng CSB Blazers kung paano ba at kung paano niya dadalhin yung bola papunta sa court nila.
Mr. Lou Ambrosio, serving.
So now, Bem back in the front line para sa side ng Letran Knights.
Betko. Not over.
Oo, not over. Para kay Betko, masyado nang binaon kaya naman napunta sa net. Yung palo niya, going outside.
Second technical timeout of the set.
What is up, mga ka-NCAA? My name is Christine San Agustin, and today we are at the SBMA Sand Court here in Tubig, Zambales to witness the opening day of the NCAA Season 100 Beach Volleyball Tournament. Kaya tara, samahan niyo po ako.
Binuksan ang torneo sa parada ng mga atleta na sinabayan ng pag-awit ng The Clash Season 6 Grand Champion na si Naya Ambi. Dinaluhan ang opening ceremony ni Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Mr. Oliver Victor B. Amoroso. Nandyan rin ang mga miyembro ng NCAA Management Committee at Board of Directors ng SBMA.
Play well, be safe, and fight hard, and pay the best team win. Marami pong salamat.
Hinarada.
Take a picture. Share it with us. Check it out. U-Scoop.
Yes, sir.
Betko.
Wow. What a save. At tuluyan ng lumobo ang kalamangan ng Letran Knights. Makikita din natin yung brilliance ng kanilang floor defense. Ang dami nilang naangat na bola, kaya ang dami nilang second chance points.
This is what I was saying, Anjo, about the second set. There is that possibility of getting deflated.
Yeah.
Nagtrabaho ka, hinabol mo, pero kinapos pa rin sa dulo.
Tama.
It's that heartbreak. And right now, Benilde does not look like that they have overcome that heartbreak.
Tama ka dyan, Anton. Very evident. At nakikita rin natin pagdating sa body language na sobrang wala nang enjoyment sa side ng CSB Blazers. Nakikita natin parang flat out na yung energy nila. Pero on contrary, itong Letran Knights, grabe naman. Yung pinapakitang energy on and off the court, mas lalo kahit yung mga nasa bench eh.
Aguilar.
Jace Marasigan.
Marasigan getting that one through, pero malayo ang habulin ng Benilde dito.
Malayo-layo mo, Anton.
Serving for the Blazers, Marasigan.
Nabitawan nila, hindi sila makakuha ng side-outs earlier in the set.
Bautista.
Yeah, Bem. Ito na. Bem show. Bem Bautista ibabaw kay Cholo Fajardo na kanina pa ginagawa nitong Letran Knights at ni Aranyo. Bem Bem knowing he has that advantage. Pagdating sa kanyang spike reach, puntos na naman para kay Bem Bem. 8-point lead para sa Letran Knights.
Fajardo. Betko. Free ball. Over to the Letran side. Bautista.
Yeah, ito na yung variation na sinasabi natin kanina, Anton. Bem Bem. Alam ng kalaban at ng CSB Blazers na papalo siya ng mahaba at malakas. But ito na yung variations. Pamasok na para kay Bem Bem. Bautista going for the drop ball. No defense present para sa side ng Blazers. Puntos na naman para kay Bem Bem at sa Letran Knights. 12-point lead, Anton.
Somebody has to tell Benilde that this is do or die. Nasa Final Four na sila.
Wake up. There's a violation. Nagkailahan pa under the net. Si Vince at si Bem Bem.
Akala ko sa basketball ko lang nakikita yon, yung
Akala ko rin eh.
hilahan ng jersey.
Oo.
Pero ito, magkakampi yung naghilahan ng jersey. Para hindi magkabanggaan, para hindi ma-off balance. Para maayos yung spacing. We're seeing everything in this match.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's still good. Palitan ng drop ball.
Cordero. Bautista.
Ooh! Bermido, cross-court attack, single block coverage. That was too easy for him. Look at that.
Alam mong pag nagsi-stare down na yung mga rookie,
yun na, mainit na lahat.
Ibang level na yung kumpiyansa ng kupunan. Digoy Bermido, the rookie, number 6. And now, Coach Brian Escobel bringing in some shock troopers.
Now serving.
Para ma-shock palalo itong Benilde.
John Lewis on the side.
Shock trip troopers.
Betko.
That was out. Blockers were there, but that was too powerful for them to control that ball. Puntos para sa side ng CSB Blazers. And CSB is still trailing by 11.
Adrian Ostero serving.
Oh, wait, but that was a good dig by Marasigan.
Nabigyan agad.
Oo.
Just checked into the match, Lawrence Vicente. Another one.
Wow, Vicente, very confident. Anton, imagining coming off the bench and hitting those break balls like that. Confidence is real for Vicente.
11 serving 21.
Kumbaga, pwede niyang gawing moment niya to eh.
Oo, kasi
Final Four moment.
Yeah. At yung kalamangan din, pabor na pabor sa side nila. Ooh!
There you go.
Another habol set para kay Cholo at grabe naman. Imagine mo yung vertical jump lang. Ang ganda nung sugal ni Cholo doon itong hanap niya.
Substitutions for the Knights. Number 4, Arano for number 3.
John Wayne is back.
For number 8.
Oo, hindi na sumigarado na si Coach Brian.
Bautista.
There was a net touch violation para sa side ng CSB Blazers. Pero Cholo with the swag pa rin, no? Kahit pumuntos na itong Letran.
Cholo is just going down swinging if ever. Last match na eh.
Yeah.
Di na mauulit to. You know this, Anjo.
Yeah, tsaka for him then as well because probably this is his last game ever dito sa NCAA. Oh, but wait, that was a service ace para kay Bem Bem. Bautista finding that line and walang receive para sa side ng CSB Blazers. Parang nagkalituan pa sila kung sino kukuha para sa service na yun.
What a player.
Yeah.
20 points.
Wow.
Bem Bem Bautista. Mula sa kalye to indoors in the NCAA.
Anton, ilang beses ko na nakita itong naglalaro sa kalye. Bembem Bautista, laman to ng lahat ng one-day leagues. At kita naman natin yung experience na bit-bit at baon niya. Siyempre, yung gulang na rin.
So sa lahat ng mga nanonood, if you are playing in a one-day league, it is possible to make it to the big stage.
Tama, nothing's impossible. Another back-to-back set para kay Lartizabal at kay Aranyo. 1 point away to get this set para sa side ng Letra Knights.
Now with set point. Serving for the set. Dave Lartizabal.
Fajardo, back set.
Marasigan on the opposite side, pounding that ball, challenging the blocker of the Letra Knights. Puntos para kay Marasigan. Check out.
Set point for the Knights.
Ooh!
Vince Himzon!
Himzon! Ending that set, and Letran now up by 2. Vince Himzon, short run attack, baon, Anton.
He is him.
Zon?
Himzon. He's him and he's in the zone.
Oh, wow. Good job, bro. Himzon.
And he and his Knights could be 1 set away from the finals.
Himzon.